Fresno County officials are urging people to be on guard for flooding in their neighborhoods. A Red Cross evacuation shelter has been moved from Reedley College to the Sanger Community Center. CBS 47's Catherine Phillips shows us the preparations at the shelter and the warnings from county officials.
The Red Cross had originally opened up the evacuation shelter at the Reedley College gym, but due to flooding concerns in Reedley, they moved it over here to the Sanger Community Center. They're ready for people when they come in, and they even have items like these comfort bags in case people had to leave their homes in a hurry.
This is an unrivaled, unparalleled weather event not experienced in several decades.
Just hours before the rain was set to pour down on Fresno County, National Weather Service meteorologist Chris Metarocchia, Fresno County Sheriff John Zanoni, and County Emergency Manager Terry Mejorado gathered to send one final message about the strength of the storm.
Anywhere where water typically flows during a rain, you're going to see that multiplied 3 and 4 times.
Evacuation warnings were issued days ahead of time in the hopes people would be ready in case they turn into orders. Countywide, 17,000 people are under evacuation warnings. Many are in eastern Fresno County, where snow melt from the warm rain is imminent.
Once we go into an emergency mode, if that occurs here, it may be impossible or there may be long delays for members of our office or emergency personnel to come and try to help you because of the amount of calls we have and the amount of service that we may be providing.
Red Cross volunteers broke down the shelter in Reedley and set up at the Sanger Community Center, worried the already high Kings River would flood and impact critical infrastructure there. The shelter can hold 120 people, and pets are welcome. If you're staying at home, they want you to have food and supplies that could last for days. The sign on Avenue already warning drivers about the impacts from the storm.
Asking if you don't have to be on the roads, please don't. It doesn't take a whole lot of water. As Chief Hale said, to all of a sudden your vehicle becomes part of the emergency.
The Fresno County Sheriff's Office also wants people to sign up for their alerts. That way, if there's an emergency or an evacuation order, you'll be notified straight to your phone. Reporting in Sanger, Catherine Phillips, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.